This is the fourth part of question number 1. Here we also use the componendo and dividendo theorem, and we have to prove A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. We have to prove that A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. We have to prove if this is equal to this. We take this again by using componendo and dividendo theorem. This we write this A square C plus B square D and plus A square C minus B square D over this minus this A square C plus B square D minus, we write these two terms in brackets because there are two terms, A square C minus B square D is equal to, we write this and this plus this, A C square plus B D square plus A C square minus B D square over this minus this, A C square plus B D square minus A C square minus B D square. Now we arrange this, A square C plus, now we write this A square C plus B square D minus B square D over, multiply this minus inside, A square C plus B square D, this minus A square C and plus B square D is equal to, we arrange this A C square plus A C square plus B square D B D square and minus also B D square over A C square plus B D square and minus A C square plus B D square. Now this will cancel and we have in the numerator 2A square C over, we write this A square C minus A square C plus B square D plus B square D is equal to, this will cancel, 2AC square over, we write in arrange this, we arrange these terms, AC square minus AC square plus BD square, this and this, plus BD square, 2A square C over, this will cancel, 2B square D, okay, is equal to 2AC square over, this will cancel, 2BD square. Now this 2 will cancel, this 2 also cancel, and we have A square C over B square D is equal to AC square, we have BD square. Now we have here only A over B and we will remove CD and AB. We multiply both side by this B over A and this also D over C. Now BD, we multiply this on both sides. We multiply on both sides. Now BD over AC multiply A square C over B square D is equal to BD over AC multiply this AC square over BD square. Now C will cancel this and D will cancel this and single B this cancel or A this cancel. We write here A over B is equal to this A will cancel and B this cancel. We have D single cancel this and C this, or we have C over D. Now this is written in form fraction form. We write it in ratio form. A ratio B is equal to C ratio B. Now proved. Yes. Now this is the fourth part of this. Now we write on fifth part. This is the fifth part of this. This is the fifth part, PA, and we write in fraction form PA plus QB over PA minus QB is equal to PC plus QD over PC minus QD, this QD, by using componendo dividendo theorem. Yes. Now again PA plus QB plus PA minus QB over this minus this PA plus QB minus PA minus QB, this is equal to PC plus QD and plus PC minus QD over PC plus QD minus, we write in brackets, PC minus QD, this, and again PA plus PA and plus QB minus QB over PA plus QB minus PA, we minus multiply this in the side, and plus QB is equal to PC plus PC plus QD minus QD over PC plus QD minus PC plus QD. This will cancel and this QD also cancel. You have in the numerator 2PC over. Now we arrange these terms, PA minus PA plus QB plus QB is equal to 2PC over PC minus PC plus QD plus QD. Now this will cancel. You have 2PC over 2QB is equal to 2PC, this PA. Now 2PC over this will cancel 2QD, this. Here 2 will cancel, this also 2 cancel. We write here PA over QB is equal to PC over QD. We only want here A over B and C over D. We multiply both sides by Q over P, and write here Q over P multiply by PA over QB is equal to Q over P multiply by PC over QD. Now this P cancel, this Q cancel, you have only A over B is equal to this P, CQ cancel, C over D. Now we write in fraction form A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Now prove. Now this is the sixth part of the question number 1 of exercise 3.4. Now again we use here componendo and dividendo theorem by using componendo and dividendo theorem. This. Now we write by using this here A plus B plus C plus D. Again we write this A plus B minus C minus D over this minus this A plus B plus C plus D minus into A plus B minus C minus D, like this, is equal to, which takes this side A minus B plus C minus D and plus, we write this A minus B minus C plus D. We write this and we again A minus B plus C minus D, and this we write all these in brackets A minus B minus C and plus D. Now again we arrange these terms A plus B or A plus B, C plus D and minus C minus D over A plus B plus C plus D minus A minus B plus C plus D. We multiply this minus sign inside the brackets is equal to A minus B, we write also A minus B plus A minus B. Here plus C minus D and minus C and plus D. We again in the denominator A minus B plus C minus D minus A plus B plus C minus D. This will cancel this, or you have only 2A plus 2B over, we arrange all these A plus B, this minus A minus B and plus C plus D, again plus C plus D is equal to, this will cancel and we have 2C minus 2D over, this we write A minus B and this minus A and plus B. We again write plus C minus D and again plus C minus D. This. Now we take 2 common from this, 2 into A plus B over, this will cancel, this cancel, you have only 2C plus 2D is equal to 2 common from this, C minus D over this will cancel this and 2C plus 2 minus 2D, 2C minus 2D, this minus 2D, and we again 2 common from this A plus B and 2 common from this, 2 into C plus D is equal to 2 into C minus D over 2 common from this and C minus D. C this here A will cancel 2A. This 2A. No, we have some mistake here. This A minus B plus C minus D and A minus B minus C plus D. We this cancel and D cancel. 2A, this 2A and minus 2B. 2A, this 2A, this not cancel, this not cancel, this A plus A and minus B and minus B. This will cancel. You have 2A minus B, 2B, this 2A or this B. Now this A and B, this, and we write here C minus D, C minus D. This will cancel, this also cancel, and we have A plus B over C plus D is equal to A minus B over C minus D, C minus D. This 2C minus 2D. Again we write this A plus B ratio C plus D is equal to A minus B and C minus D, C minus D. Now by using here, by using alternando theorem, it means we shift this on this place and this onto this place. This is the alternando. We write again this alternando A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, and by using alternando, and we write this A ratio C is equal to B ratio D. Now this is given, we write this, and we move this side and this side here. A plus B here ratio A minus B is equal to C plus D ratio C minus D. We go on next page. We write in fraction form A plus B over A minus B is equal to C plus D over C minus D. Now by using componendo dividendo theorem on this, write again A plus B plus A minus B over A plus B minus A minus B is equal to C plus D or C minus D over C plus D minus C minus D. This A plus B minus B over A plus B minus A plus B is equal to C plus D minus D over C plus D minus C plus D. Okay, and with this cancel, we have 2A over, now we arrange these terms, A minus A plus B is equal to, this will cancel 2C over C plus D, and we arrange this C plus D minus C and plus D. Here this will cancel 2A over 2B is equal to 2c over, now d will cancel this, no sorry, c will cancel this, now d not, d 2d here, 2 will cancel 2, 2 will cancel 2, a over b is equal to c over d. Now this is written in fraction form, we write in ratio form, a ratio b is equal to c ratio d. Proved this. So we have, I explain here again this, here a minus b, because we have this a plus, we this plus, and here is this plus, we add this 2a and minus 2b, this minus 2b, this minus 2b, why minus 2b here, and here this is 2 take common from this, and 2c minus 2d, and 2 will cancel.